Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. A warm good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome to all to our complete paper solution of the December 2023 SSB lecture. In this session, we will try to not only discuss the question but also cover the in-depth knowledge regarding each and every questions, which is going to very significant for the upcoming examination. And I believe with the help of this question, our student of this channel will going to do a next level performance in the examinations, and it's very important for the student those are preparing for SSB lecture and PGT in general, and UGC net and SET and assistant professor in particular. And after this session you would able to know the each and everything about the every questions to help you cover the previous question with extra information and to make you ready for the each and every kind of question for your examination. So guys, I think without delay we should start our discussion in very fast. So let's start. So the question number, still we have discussed 88. Now we are going to initiate the class from 89, that with reference to Loko Adalat consider the statement and identify the correct ones. Guys, before the question I would like to request to all of you that when you read the statement, just try to find out the question is about what. Question about what? Say for example, whether it is a talk about the correct or incorrect. So you need to emphasize that word, the correct or the incorrect. Say for example, option A, an award made by Lok Adalat is deemed to be a decree of civil court and no appeal lies against thereto before any court. Then second option, matrimonial and family dispute are not covered under the Lok Adalat. So which is the correct option according to the question? That you need to find the correct. So my dear all, the answer of this question is option A. And believe me, many of the students went for the option C, that first and second both are correct. My dear all, if you following me since the last 3 months, I have been teaching regarding Lok Adalat in my last session. So with this help of the question, let's again learn about the Lok Adalat. Okay, it will be very careful to you that what is the Lok Adalat and why this option is became incorrect, because the matrimonial and family dispute are part of the Lok Adalat. Okay, so let's start quickly. So Lok Adalat was created under the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987. तो प्रथम तुम मानक मन रखार अच्छी ना लोक अदालत केबे क्रिएट होइतिला. When was the Lok Adalat was created? So it is the National Legal Service Authority Act 1987. They can confuse you, so this thing you need to remember. First question you get here. प्रथम क्वेश्चन तमर होचे एटा, नेशनल लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी 1987 lead towards the creation of the Lok Adalat. And award of the Lok Adalat, it is an alternative dispute mechanism. Why it is alternative dispute mechanism? Because a numerous case pending in your high court and the Supreme Court, even in the district court also, and to provide a solution in very quick way, the Lok Adalat was created at the local level. So every award of the Lok Adalat shall be deemed to be decree of the civil court. So Lok Adalat has the power of the civil court. Civil court means you can say that the FR related to your marriage, property, divorce, and family issue, and the different issue, that is how the civil court. Okay. Then every award made by Lok Adalat shall be final and binding on all the party to the disputes, and no appeal shall lie to any court against the award. So the Lok Adalat clearly mention that any kind of judgment provided by your Lok Adalat that would be a binding in nature, and you cannot go against the award given by Lok Adalat that is binding on everyone. So that is how the Lok Adalat has a binding power. Okay, the first and second two thing we have a clear. Then there are no court fee payable when a matter is filed in Lok Adalat. So they can confuse you for filing a case before the Lok Adalat. So there is no any kind of fees. Okay, that you need to remember. Very very important. Okay, if you really want to crack the question, it's very important. You need to remember. Then from February 2015, National Lok Adalat are being held on a specific subject matter every month. So do remember that in every month after the 2015, that Lok Adalat is constituted on specific subject. Okay, that could be an important question, that after which year, that 2015, every month the Lok Adalat constitute for the specific subject. So this is your all about the Lok Adalat, and I have already said that matrimonial, marriage, these are the dispute comes under your civil aspect, the life of the people, and that is the civil, na? Okay, don't you think so? And that is comes under your Lok Adalat. Okay, this is all about for the Lok Adalat. Then after that, the 90 question, which article of the constitution provide for the creation of a state legislative council? That creation of the state legislative council, option A article 166, article 168, article 167 and article 169. So creation of the state legislative council, article 169 we all know. And I would like to ask you to mind your all, that in India how many state has the state legislative council? That state legislative council exists in how many state of India? That could be a probable question. So let's quickly revise. So article 169 authorize the parliament to create the state legislative council, don't to the state legislative assembly. Here the parliament has a power, they can create or they can abolish the state legislative council. In India only 6 states have a has the state legislative council. Say for example Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Maharashtra, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. For your remembering in a easy way, I can share you a one technique, that Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, these are your southern state. These are the South India. Telangana, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, South India. Okay, South India, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana. Then your Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, the Hindi heartland. The Hindi heartland, or you can say that North India. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, the North India. Okay, then Maharashtra we can say that the southwest. Okay, so these are the 6 states right now have the 6 legislative council in India, in the 6 states. Very very important, multiple time asked in a different examination whenever the political science came to picture. Okay, very nice. Okay guys, then you can subscribe if you like our channel, but I will request at the last. Okay, then the Gramo Nyaya Act was enacted from. Very very important question. So October 2000 what? 7, 2009, 2008, 2010. So what is the answer? 2009. October 2009 Gramo Nyaya Act was enacted. Gramo Nyaya Act. Okay, let's see what is Gramo Nyaya. So it was initiated on December 2008 and came to effect on October 2009. So when was the Gramo Nyaya came to picture? Now October 2009. Very very important. Okay, October 2009 Gramo Nyaya came to picture. Then it was initiated on December 2008. So in December 2008 the Gramo Nyaya Act was enforced. The objective of the Gramo Nyaya to provide a quick access to justice specific to the rural level and limit the pending case at the upper court. So Gramo Nyaya has a power to provide a quick access to the basically the process of what? Justice or any kind of problem. Okay, and limit the pending case at upper court. It is set off located at intermediate level. So Gramo Nyaya is located at intermediate level. Say for example in Panchayat level there is a Gramo Nyaya. Panchayat Samit there is a Gramo Nyaya. Then Odisha has a total 24 Gramo Nyaya and currently 20 are in operations. So I have already shared with you one question, that how many Gramo Nyaya are now being function or operated in Odisha, that is 20 out of 24, total 24. Okay, and it covers the civil and criminal jurisdiction. In unlike your Loko Adalat, in Loko Adalat it is a matter of the civil code, but your Gramo Nyayalaya it includes the both civil and criminal. Okay, civil and criminal. In my memory, I am telling that Loko Adalat is include the civil code, but you can check also whether Loko Adalat include the civil or criminal. So you need to come to me after the proper research regarding the Loko Adalat, regarding the jurisdiction of the civil or criminal. Okay, whether it is only limited to the civil power or it have also the criminal jurisdiction. So you need to research on it and come to me with your proper solution. Okay, and its decision is not binding in nature. In Loko Adalat the decision is binding in nature, but Gramo Nyayalaya there is a no, the decision is not binding in nature. So this is going to be very important for our examination. Okay, okay. So then next question, how many Gramo Panchayat are there in Odisha? How many Gramo Panchayat are there in Odisha? So option A 6794, option B 7694, option C 6774, then option D 6479. So what is the answer? The correct answer option A, that the Gramo Panchayat, okay, Gram Panchayat in Odisha, total Gram Panchayat in Odisha 6794. Okay, so 6794 Gram Panchayat, total Gram Panchayat in Odisha. Okay, 6794. So let's quickly basically cover the different thing with respect to, like in Odisha, like how many Gram Panchayat are there, how many block are there, how many district, like how many tribal block are there, how many district or how many the district, backward district are there, that could be important. Okay, so total Gramo Panchayat are 6794. Okay, how many Gram Panchayat? 6794. Okay, very important, that 6794 Gram Panchayat there in Odisha. Then 118 total tribal blocks. Okay, so total tribal block in Odisha 118. Okay, 118 total tribal blocks. Then no Gramo Nyayalaya operation in Odisha, number of Gramo Nyayalaya 20. Okay. Then urban local body 110. How many urban local body? 110 urban local body. Okay, then municipal corporation 5. Okay, total 5 municipal corporation in Odisha right now, like Bhubaneswar, Raulkela, Sambalpur. Okay, so there are these are etc. These are the municipal corporation. Then how many municipality? 45 municipality are there in Odisha. 45 municipality. Then how many NAC are there? National Notified Area Council. That is how the 60. So total 60 notified area council. So these are the very important and the verified authentic data. I can guarantee you there is no any kind of fault. You can go with this table or this data. Just remember this thing, your 1 mark, 1.5 mark or one question is ready to pre-focused for you. Okay, very nice. Then question number 93, which one below is not a compulsory function of an urban local body in Odisha? Urban local body not compulsory, like lighting the public road, planting and maintaining the tree, regulating the offensive dangerous act, constructing the public lighting. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question option B, that planting and maintaining the tree is not a compulsory work. Okay, so option B is the answer. So what is the compulsory function of panchayat and municipality? Like we know that there is a similarity of the compulsory activity of the municipality and panchayat. Say for example, public road and drain and lighting road, drinking water, manual scavenger, Namaste scheme associated with the mechanized sanitation facility for the manual savage worker. Okay, so you can remember the Namaste scheme basically associated with the what? That the manual savage worker. Okay, manual scavenger work, savage worker. Then maintenance of record specific to the marriage, birth record, mela, poverty alleviation with social welfare, these are also the compulsory function. Okay, this is how the compulsory function of the urban local body. This is your question and this is your extra information. Okay, I hope you will not forget. Okay, very nice. Then which article of the constitution deals with the GST council? GST council, which article? Article 27, 266, 275, 279A and article DA 280. Okay, 279A, that GST council. Okay, the constitution of the GST council, article 279A. And your homework, that there are how many members in GST council, or who is basically the chairperson of the GST council. So your homework is that. Okay, very nice. Then there are different constitutional body. Let's quickly recap that the CAG, Comptroller Auditor General of India, Article 148. Okay, Article 148, the Comptroller Auditor General of India. Who is the current CAG of India? That could be a probable questions. Okay, and I can provide a hint. The person who has uh, in a news to become a CM of Odisha, and I know that you guys all aware about that news, and your homework that you need to provide the answer that who is the current CAG of the India, the person who belongs to the Odisha. Okay, then Finance Commission, Article 280, Finance Commission, Attorney General of India, Article 276, Special Officer for Linguistic Minority, Article 350B, UPSC, Article 315, 323. Why it is important? Because of the current basically the chairperson of UPSC resigned from the post, and different fault, and different in practice regarding UPSC examination nowadays in a news. Okay, so that could be important thing, that Article 315 and 323, the UPSC. Or they can ask the question that in which year the UPSC was created, that is 1926. Okay. Then Election Commission of India, Article 324, and it is the formation at 25th January 1950. Okay, last year they asked the question that 25th January 1950, the Election Commission of India. Okay. Then NCBC, National Council of the Backward Class. Okay, National Council for the Backward Class, Article 338B, NCBC, and Article 102 Constitutional Amendment Act 2008, 102 NCBC. Okay, that is you need to remember here. Okay, so these are basically important constitutional body and the related information article. Okay, then question number 95, that read the following statement and identify the correct one. So whenever I read the question, you need to emphasize the word correct one. Okay, like option A, the Election Commission was established on 25th January 1950. Okay, so 25th January 1950, the Election Commission was established in Article 320, what 320 basically 24 to 2029. Okay, then 86 Constitutional Amendment Act related to the right to education. Then 96 Constitutional Amendment Act change the word Oriya to the Odia in your 8th schedule of the your official language. Okay, then your National Commission for Backward Class was established by the basically 102 Constitutional Amendment Act recently we have seen. So these all are basically your correct, and answer is option D, that Election Commission was established 25th January 1920. Yes, it is correct. 86 Constitutional Amendment Act, right to education 2002, correct. 96 multiple time we discussed. The National Commission for Backward was 102. Okay, so we have discussed. Then another question, and it's a very controversial question. Many students was unable to went with the correct answer, but I have already explained this question. But let's revise quickly that the place of worship act was issued during the Rajiv Gandhi government, B. VP Singh, and C. PV Narasimha Rao, and basically D. Vajpayee government. So I can say it is a top question. It is not a easy question or medium question, it is a top question. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option C, VP PV Narasimha Rao. Okay, ignore this thing. Option C, PV Narasimha Rao. Option C, PV Narasimha Rao, the place of worship act. Okay, 1991. Okay, so PV Narasimha Rao, 1991 to 1996, the basically one of the person from the as a non-Gandhi family. Okay, the PM, first non-Gandhi family PM, that PV Narasimha Rao, government 1991-1996, and that time the line of actual control with China and India was settled in 1993, and 1991 place of worship act. In place of worship act, the main objective to demarcate the area for the Hindu and Muslim. That is how the place of the worship act 1991. Then it also PV Narasimha Rao also famous for the Lookist policy, 1991 Lookist policy. Then it also famous for the at that time also a major landmark thing was taken place, that is how demolition of the Babri Masjid 1992. It is very sensitive issue, and that you can remember. Okay, then after that, this is how your the Prime Minister, and I have also discussed related to the Prime Minister and different important thing with respect to the Prime Minister. And if you really want to cover like different information with respect to different prime minister, you can go to the YouTube playlist of the Indian polity. Under the Indian polity and government, you can get a video there, that is how the prime minister and the important information, that you can basically refer that video for the basically extra information regarding your examination. Okay, it's very very important. Then another question, that like the provision of the impeachment of the president, similar provision for the impeachment of the governor be made in the constitution of was suggested by whom? Mane simply this question is about like the way president is removed, that would applicable also to the removal process of the governor, that is recommended by which commission, or which commission recommended that there is a similar process, there would be a similar process for the removal of the president as well as the removal of the governor. So option A Venkatacharya commission, option basically A Sarkaria commission, B Venkatacharya commission, option C Panchi commission, option D PV Rajmanohar committee. So the answer of this question option C, the Panchi commission. Okay, so this is how the question and answer, and I know most of people are unable to provide the correct answer of this question. I can say it is a top question, एंड मु बिलीव करे जे एभली क्वेश्चन को आम आड्रेस करा हेल्ले आमको कौन पढ़ार अच्छे ना सेंटर एंड स्टेट रिलेशन जहाँ भी कमिटी अच्छी गो थ्रू करार अच्छे. ओके, तो से मुझे कहूँ प्रथम प्रिवियस क्वेश्चन धर, तापर जहाँ रिलेटेड इनफर्मेशन ताको पढ़. द एग्जामिनेशन इज ऑल अबाउट द स्मार्ट वे, नॉट हाउ मच यू नो. Okay, not how much you know, but how you basically play in a smart way. So that is how the smart way that I have prepared a beautiful and very productivity table that going to help you for cracking this kind of center state relation and related committee. Say for example, the first ARC, Administrative Reform Commission, 1966. Okay, 66 Administrative Reform Commission first time recommended for the creation of the what interstate council. Like we all like know, and it's popular that interstate council 1990 and May 1990 VP Singh government and Sarkaria commission recommendation different thing, but first time who recommended for the interstate council? It is the first ARC. Okay, then who is the chairperson of the first ARC? Moraji Desai. Okay, Moraji Desai is the first chairperson of the first ARC. Getting my point? Okay, very very nice. Then Rajmanohar committee was appointed by the Tamil Nadu government, like DMK. Okay, right now who is ruling in Tamil Nadu? Na DMK. Okay, DMK Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam appointed or recruited a committee, that is Rajmanohar committee. The major recommendation of the Rajmanohar committee, that dissolution of the planning commission. So dissolution of the planning commission recommended by the Rajmanohar committee. Okay, so Niti Aayog was replaced with the planning commission on basically January 1, 2015, which I have already make a questions today only. Okay, so that this was recommended by Rajmanohar committee, dissolution of the planning commission. Okay, or we can say that in 2015 the recommendation of Rajmanohar commission was came into apply. Okay, so then apart from that, article 356, article 357, article 365 should be eliminated, and also they recommended abolition of all India service. Okay, so all India service like your IS, IPS, IFS, these are your all India service need to abolished. Okay, according to Rajmanohar committee. Okay, that they can ask the question that which committee recommended the abolition of all India service, that is how Rajmanohar committee. Very very important. Then after Rajmanohar committee, the who appointed Rajmanohar committee? Just remember Tamil Nadu DMK committee. That could be a probable question. Okay, then Anandpur Sahib resolution. What is Anandpur Sahib resolution? Now it was established in 1970s by the Akali Dala. Okay, so that time in basically your I would say Punjab, it was ruling by the Akali Dala government. Okay, they established the Anandpur Sahib resolution. Just remember Anandpur Sahib resolution, that's enough. Then it related to the center state relation. You can simple get a question that which among the following committee related to or not related to the center state relation commission. So that could be a probable question, my dear all friend. Okay, Then West Bengal Memorandum, basically mid 1970s. Okay, in mid 1917 the West Bengal Memorandum was created. Okay, and government of West Bengal, that time the Communist Party was ruling in West Bengal. They established the West Bengal Memorandum, and the West Bengal Memorandum recommended for the replace the word union by the word federal. Okay, in constitution, like we all know, in our constitution nowhere mention about the word federal, but article 1 talk about India, that is Bharat, shall be union of the state. But West Bengal Memorandum recommended that the word union need to replace by the word federal. So that could be a probable question, that who recommended that word union need to replace by the word federal. So that is how West Bengal Memorandum. It's very very important, my dear all. Then after West Bengal Memorandum there is another question, guys. Are you not boring? The way I teach, I think you will not bore. Okay. So Sarkaria Commission, let's start. Sarkaria Commission was established in 1983. It's a important and significant state center-state relation commission which was itself appointed by the central government. See, everyone, West Bengal Memorandum, Anandpur Sahib Resolution, Rajmohan, these are all your appointed by the different state government, but Sarkaria Commission during the time of Indira Gandhi government appointed and in 1983. And how many member was there in Sarkaria Commission? And 3 members there in Sarkaria Commissions. And Sarkaria Commission provided the report in 1988. So in which year Sarkaria Commission provided the report? 1988. What are the recommendation of Sarkaria Commission? Now finally establishment of the interstate council. So under the recommendation of the Sarkaria Commission, your interstate council was established, though it also earlier recommended by your first ERC commission, that is how interstate council, but that became possible under only the recommendation of the Sarkaria Commission, interstate council, very very important. And after the recommendation, BP Singh government, it is the BP Singh government who established the interstate council on May 1990. So in multiple time your SSB asked that in which your interstate council was established, who recommended for that, and under which government it is established. Okay, that is how you need to remember the VP Singh government interstate council on May 1990. Okay, my dear all, it's very very important. Then Panchi Commission, year 2007. So 2007 Panchi Commission, very very important, that under the government Manmohan Singh, the Panchi Commission major recommendation, now governor should be from outside the states. Who is the current governor of the Odisha? Sri Raghuvar Das. Do you think Raghuvar Das from the Odisha only? No, outside the state. So Panchi Commission recommended that governor should be from outside the states. And if I ask you that why a governor need to from the outside the states, what would be your answer? Because obviously from the political, from the social economic point of view, it's very important that a person should from the outside the states to make away from any kind of the political biasness. Okay, then even you can take an example. Say for example you are got appointment under the SSB lectures. I know you will get appointment, but do you think that you will get appointment in your own area, in your own college or nearby college? Yes, I will agree with you that in few cases it would possible, but in major cases it is not possible that you will get recruit in your own area. So that is how multiple time we experience such thing in our circumstance. Okay, so that is how the thing, but I think most of people will not believe with me because their people are appointed in their own area. Okay, so I know what I am trying to say, you understand. Okay, so governor should be from outside the state and fixed tenure for the governor 5 years. Okay, so Panchi Commission talks about the fixed tenure for the governor of the 5 years. Okay, so now the governor, the tenure is not fixed, but Panchi Commission talk about there should be a fixed tenure of the 5 year for the governor, like the fixed tenure for the president of the 5 years. Don't you think so? Very very important. An impeachment process of the president should be applicable to the impeachment process of the governor, or in a way we can say that there should be a similar process for the impeachment of the president as well as the governor. Like the process is followed in current for the president, that should also applicable for the impeachment process of the governor. So that is how Panchi Commission was recommended, and this was the previous year questions. So this is way the better they frame the question. and each and every commission is important and you cannot miss any commission. Okay, that is how I always said na, do refer your previous year question and go with your the study according to the followed by the previous year question need and requirement. That's you are done with your work. Okay, and this is proved. This is not a hard-heartedly thing which I am telling you. This has been proved. Okay, even it applicable to me. Okay, if you really ask me, then I can say it's work. It's work. Then after that there is a Venkata Law Commission, that the basically for the national commission to review the working of the constitution under Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. So during the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee government, this Venkata Law Commission or Venkata Chalha Commission was as a national commission to review the working of the constitution was established. Okay, so this is your all about the center and state commission. Okay guys, so this is your all about the thing. Then 98 question, which Lok Sabha held the shortest tenure? Option D, 12th Lok Sabha has the shortest tenure. Okay, so you can remember that 12th Lok Sabha has the shortest tenure. This is how 98 to 99, 1 year 1 month and shortest tenure of the Lok Sabha. Okay, for our option. So my dear all, with this note we covered the complete full-fledged, that is 100 questions of SSB lecture which was conducted in December 2023, and this video, those who are following the entire 10 video, it helps to them for cracking any kind of question with respect to the question which I have discussed. And I believe from these 10 sessions regarding the complete paper solution, you will get maximum outcome, you will get maximum benefit, and this is my guarantee. Okay, if you with proper dedication, with proper your energy, you provide your time for this video, definitely you get the result either today or day after the tomorrow. So that is very clear things, all of you, because it's very important, and nowhere in the YouTube channel you will get that kind of video. So guys, this is all about from mindset for the today's session. I hope you may find it interesting, exam oriented and productivity. So do share with your valuable comment and feedback for my performance. And I would like to request to all of you, if you like my channel, please subscribe, please share with your friend, and please also press the bell icon. So guys, this is all about from mindset. Thank you everyone for being part of this lesson. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.